Hello, I'm Richard and I'm talking to you from the Stuart Training Centre here in Henley-on-Thames. Wasteflo macerators and lifting stations can be used to create a bathroom, kitchen or utility room in any situation where it's either impractical or impossible to install conventional gravity-based soil and waste discharge pipework. Wasteflo macerators fit neatly behind the WC. They automatically reduce waste to a liquid form and pump it away to a soil pipe. Depending on the model selected, Wasteflo macerators also feature inlets for hand basin and shower. Alternatively, the Wasteflo lifting station pumps wastewater from multiple sources, allowing a kitchen, utility room or shower room be installed. All units feature an innovative removable watertight cassette system which houses the electrical and mechanical components. This cassette system allows clean and easy access without having to remove any pipework or the appliance when servicing or maintaining the unit. Wasteflo macerators and lifting stations are the benchmark for performance, quality and reliability. Carry a 2-year guarantee and are fully supported by a highly professional pump assist after sales service team.